And we're back with our music lesson. And right now, I'm gonna teach you how to make or create your own rhythmic pattern using 6/8 time signature. So, again, what is 6/8 time signature mean? It means that there are 6 counts or 6 beats in every measure. This is the measure. And every 8th note, the bottom number, 8th note receives 1 beat. So we have to make 6 beats in every measure. So let's count. 8th note is 1 count. This is 1. So basically, ang gagawin nyo lang, magkukombine lang kayo ng mga notes and rests na ang magiging total nila sa isang measure ay 6 beats. Ganun lang po yun. So, kailangan alam mo yung value ng notes para alam mo kung ano yung ipagkukombine mo na mga notes and rest to have a total of 6 beats sa bawat measure. So, 8th note is 1 beat. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 counts. Kasi tigo 1 sila, di ba? In every measure. And then, this is quarter note. Ano ang value ng quarter note sa 6/8? 2. So, 2, 2, 2, a total of 6. And then, dotted quarter note. Ano ang value ng dotted quarter note sa 6/8? 3 counts. So, 3 counts, a total of 6 counts. So, ganun lang. And then, that quarter rest is 2 counts. Quarter note is 2 counts. 8th, ano to? 8th rest is 1/2. And 8th rest is 1/2. So, this is just 5 counts. So, kulang tayo ng isa. Maglalagay ako ng banda rito ng isa pang quarter note. Okay? To make up for the 1 lost. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/2, 1/2. A total of 6 counts. Quarter note is 2 counts. Quarter rest is 2 counts. Quarter note is 2 counts. A total of 6 counts. And then half rest is 4 counts in a 6/8 time signature. Kung kayo malilito dyan, yan ang tatandaan ninyo. And then, quarter note is 2 counts, 6. This is 1. Ang quarter note ay 2 counts. Ang 8th note ay 1 count. Quarter note is 2 counts. So, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Then, dotted half. Dotted half rest is, 6 counts. Because half rest is 4, plus kalahati niya. Yung dot is, ang value nun ay kalahati nung katabi niya, di ba? So, that is 6. Same thing with half note. Half note is 4, at yung value ng dot ay kalahati niya. Again, kung di mo pa na alam ang kumuha ng value ng mga dotted note and dotted rest, please watch the video about that. So, this is half of the principal note. Okay, so this is, dotted half is 6 counts sa 6/8 time signature. So, ganun lang. So, paano gumawa ng rhythmic pattern gamit ang 6/8 time signature? Just combine ka lang ng mga notes and rest na ang magiging total nila ay 6 counts because we should have 6 counts in every measure. And take note again that ang magre-receive ng 1 beat ay 8th note. So, yun yung kailangan niyong tatandaan sa paggawa ng rhythmic pattern na 6/8. And that's all.